How to turn on share with you on iPhone. In order to turn on share with you on iPhone message on iOS 26, come to settings button and tap on it. Scroll up, tap on general, tap on software update to be sure that you have the latest version of the iOS. Now that I've done that, go ahead and tap on apps here, then type in messages or message apps here. Tap on message button, then scroll up a bit until you see this button that says share with you. Tap on this button, or tap on this button. Automatic sharing content share in iMessage can automatically appear in selected apps. When turned off, content that you pin will still appear in the app. So tap on this button. So here are the apps you can share automatically with guys. If you get this tip and not subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this.